Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, nayikhumbula indzaba Engonyameni KZN. Guys, a 20 years old mother uNelisiwe Thusini, age 28, kube nguye umsolelwa ekushoneni kwabantu bakhe lababili. Kwendakaleni ukuthi makwenteka njalo kwatholakala abantwana labayi-2 eceleni nemigwaqo barolwe ngeblanket, lapha phakathi kune-note lenama-number phones for gogo wemntwana nababa wemntwana. Bantwana intombatana nemfana, girl yena bekuNosibusiso, age 2 years, then uBoyza yena bewuNqobizimpi, ana 2 months. Okay, basana batholakala lapho umphakathi bowushaqekile ukuthi kwenakalani la ndzaweni yethu, and then i-suspect vele yokucala kwaba uye, wathi bakabanjwa wayiswa phakathi inside. Mafika phakathi inside bambuta ukuthi kahle kahle kwendakaleni, awu akavakali ukuthi kwendakalani, but the way kubonakala ngakhona naleya handwriting la bayibona lapha, le handwriting leya bathi iyakubonakalisa ukuthi vele umndeni uyaconfirm ukuthi le handwriting le ibonakala iyakhe, so asathi uma aphika ukuthi yini. And another thing, bathi kuthi kusukeni kwafikani la yena sekadecide akubabulala khona nabo abathi, ngoba these two beautiful souls bantwana laba full of life. And then umndeni uchazile ukuthi noma bathi bayambuda ukuthi kanti kwendakaleni, akabaniki ma-answer. So that's why the community, family, everyone usele nema-unanswered questions because ugirl akafuni nema-answer. Let's hope justice will be served for these two beautiful souls because akuvisiseki, and bashide ukuthi umndeni unikiwe i-counselling, but sindlula kanjani kusimo lesi, so especially lesimo uma sifaka nalo muntu lo nguye phela lo telela abantwana ukuthi betela emhlabeni. So asathi kumbuse sinisa-decide ukuthi thathe impilo yabo is because bafike ngaye la asathi, so everything it is alleged before ukuthi njani. So guys, that brings us to the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will see you ku video landelayo. Bye.